Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for musical equipment accessories business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can create your website from here. So you can see templates. Let's start with this. So the topic, you can choose the topic from here. So musical equipment accessories isn't here, so you can describe it. You can type here the description, describe your site. So musical equipment accessories. What are your job goals? Um, Sell products. Now let's continue. How would you like to get started? Choose a professional design website template or build a custom template with Squarespace blueprint. So let's choose this. So the type is online store. Now you can choose one of these templates here if you want, and you can build your own template. So let's get started from here. Now let's go. So here you have to enter. You can enter your type your business name. Type any name for musical equipment accessories business as you like. Now let's continue. Here you're gonna build your home page. Build your your home page section by section. Add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So this is the first section. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your website attractive. So you can do anything to make it better than this. Now let's move on. All the sections must be attractive. You can choose whatever you like on the sections. That's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site, and now choose the color palette. So I'm gonna choose this. Choose the font, any font you like from here, and let's finish. So here you can choose if you wanna continue and describe the description and the details about your product or your website, or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your homepage. You can edit it from here. So the first thing here, you can change this text here. Introduce your brand. For example, you can type here, welcome to our site for musical equipment accessories. Like this. Also the text on this label here, you can change it. You can change the text. Just type what you want. For example, shop now, like this. And now let's move on to the background. So the background, you can change it. Before we go to the background, here you can, it is the grid, the row counts, and the gap. this section in the fill screen, in the height, in the alignments. Now let's move on to the background. So the background, you can choose just a simple art from here. You can select just a simple art, or if you wanna add the image as a background. So I'm gonna add image, select from library and go here, and now search for musical instruments, musical equipments. So I'm gonna choose this as a background. That's it. Now you can, if you want to move this section, you can move it down or move it up. You can save it from this heart icon. You can duplicate the section from here. That's it. If you want to add something on your home page, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add from here. Images or videos or menus, as you like. You can add anything on your section, image or video or button or text or shape or line, whatever you like. And also you can change the mobile, the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, or like just a desktop view. You can keep it just like this. So that's it for today. I'm gonna continue this business on the second video, uh, on the second part of this video of this business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part in the next video.